In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate pages on Wix. Whether you're building a website for your business, a personal project, or anything in between, duplicating pages can save you a ton of time and effort. Instead of starting from scratch, you can simply copy an existing page, make a few tweaks, and have a brand new page ready to go. It's a quick and straightforward process that's perfect for maintaining design consistency across your site. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have all the tools you need to efficiently duplicate and customize pages within your Wix website. Let's dive in. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is open the Wix website editor. Go ahead and log into your Wix account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, select the site you want to work on. This will take you directly to the editor where you can make changes to your website. If you manage multiple websites, be sure to double check that you've chosen the right one before moving forward. Now that you're inside the editor, take a look at the menu on the left side of your screen. You'll notice several icons here, each representing different tools and features. What you're looking for is the page icon. It looks like a small rectangle with one corner folded over. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on it. This will open up a list of all the pages currently on your website. With the list of pages now visible, you can see every page that makes up your site, from your homepage to any additional sections you've created. Take a moment to scroll through this list and locate the page you want to duplicate. If you have a lot of pages, it can be helpful to use descriptive names when organizing your site so you can quickly find what you're looking for. Once you've identified the page you want to duplicate, look for a small set of 3 dots located next to the page's name. Click on these dots, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select the option that says Duplicate. This is the command that will allow you to create a copy of your selected page. After clicking Duplicate, the Wix editor will take a moment to process your request. During this time, you don't need to do anything. Just wait for the system to create the duplicate page. Once the process is complete, you'll see a new page appear in the list. This duplicate page will have the same content and layout as the original, but it will likely have a slightly different name to distinguish it, such as Copy of Original Page Name. At this point, it's a good idea to rename your duplicate page. To do this, simply click on the name of the new page in the list and type in a new name of your choice. Giving it a clear and unique name will help you keep things organized, especially if you plan to duplicate multiple pages or make substantial changes to the new copy. Finally, you can begin editing your duplicate page as needed. The beauty of this process is that any changes you make to the duplicate page will not affect the original. This gives you the freedom to experiment with new layouts, images, text, or design ideas while keeping your original page intact. Use this opportunity to tweak the duplicate to suit your needs and ensure it fits seamlessly into your site. And that's it. You've successfully duplicated a page on Wix. This simple process can save you a lot of time and effort, especially when you're working on a large or complex site. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.